how many people have become faceless in this country because the students have been forced to learn Hindi and they've lost their own culture.
Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin recently reignited this debate, claiming that Hindi has swallowed many languages, leaving them gasping for survival. But is this true? Has Hindi really erased the mother tongues of North India? Let's fact check. For a long time, states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar have been called the Hindi heartland. But the reality is more complex. Only about 26% of Indians speak Hindi as their mother tongue.
English students in the house, give me a A. Okay. Tamil. Okay. Hindi. Varavela. Hindi. Okay. எல்லாம் சொல்லலாம்னு நினைச்சேன் அது நம்ம நேஷனல் லாங்குவேஜ் இல்ல அது ஒரு அபிஷியல் லாங்குவேஜ்னு.
Many counted as Hindi speakers, 43%, actually speak Bhojpuri, Rajasthani, Magai and others.
तो ये हम लोग हैं 80% देहात है भारत, पहले तो जान लो. I know many languages, you know that I know 9 languages. मुझे 9 भाषा आती है, लेकिन मैं जानबूझकर देसी भाषा करता हूँ. भोजपुरिया बोलीला कहाँ कि हमारे माई का बोली बा.
Paul R. Brass, in his book Language, Religion and Politics in North India, explains how Hindi's rise came at the cost of Urdu, Maithili and Punjabi. The first language to face this onslaught was Urdu, and we can feel its tremors even now. In UP, the assembly proceedings could now be heard in Hindi as well as Awadhi, Braj, Bhojpuri, Bundeli and English languages. After senior Samajwadi Party leader and leader of opposition Pandey opposed the introduction of English and saw the inclusion of Urdu instead, this is what the CM had said.
मुल्ला और मौलवी बनाने की बजाय हम वैज्ञानिक बनाना चाहते हैं.
After independence, there was an attempt to make Hindi India's national language. But protests, especially in Tamil Nadu, forced the government to compromise. Hindi became an official language alongside English, while regional languages were left to fight for survival.
Bharat has no Rajbhasha. The Constitution, so Article 343 makes it very clear Hindi is an official language. The Official Languages Act of 1963 says that Hindi and English are both official languages of India.
Fast forward to today, and major languages like Bhojpuri and Rajasthani still don't have official recognition in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, while languages spoken by smaller populations like Bodo and Nepali do. So when people say Hindi is swallowing these languages, they mean the government is not recognizing them as independent languages.
भाषाएं तब खत्म होती हैं जब भाषाओं का आत्मसम्मान मर जाता है.
There's an old saying, every 2 miles the taste of water changes, every 8 miles the language. But when one language dominates administration, education and jobs, others begin to fade. Garhwali, Kumaoni and Angika, for example, are slowly disappearing, many believe. So has Hindi really swallowed these languages? Not exactly.
मेरी बात ये समझ रही हैं तो समझती हैं कि हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ मैं. जब इनकी समझ में आना बंद होता तो कहती है उर्दू है.
But does that mean the non-Hindi mother tongues of India are dead or dying? Not quite. Bhojpuri has over 50 million speakers, Maithili over 35 million and Magai around 15 million. But they are disappearing from textbooks, government offices and digital platforms. Schools teach in Hindi, government forms are in Hindi and jobs require Hindi proficiency. Over time, younger generations naturally shift to the dominant language.
हम प्रयास करें कि बातचीत से पेट भर दें.
What do you think? Is Hindi pushing out regional languages or is the real problem the lack of government support? Let us know in the comments below.